Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture of PHP and MySQL. I'm going to show you in this lecture how to do the for loop. Now to create a for loop, we just type for and then parentheses and curly brackets. Okay, now inside a parenthesis we need three expressions. The first one is to create variable I. So I equals, and usually we give it a 1, okay? And then we type semicolon, and the second expression inside parenthesis is how many times do we want the loop to run. So if we want the loop to run 10 times, we type variable I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, guys? So this is where you can control if you want 15 loops or you want 10 loops. Now semicolon, and the last one is I plus plus. The plus plus means increment, so this will increment one by one the loop. Now don't worry, you'll understand this as soon as we create here a very quick example. And I can tell you guys that the for loop is very common and useful in PHP projects, so make sure you understand this. Now let's type the action here, which is the code that is going to run 10 times. So let's type echo and it works. And let's save this. Make sure you save it on your htdocs, and make sure also you have the XAMPP control panel and your Apache running. Let me start mine. Okay, we are ready. So let me open the browser. And here we're going to type the name of the file that I'm using, which is test.php. Okay, so as you can see, we have 10 times it works, but it's very messy and a little bit confusing. So what I'm going to do is create the list in the vertical way. So let me just go here, and just by typing dot, okay, so now I can type an HTML tag, which is break line or line break. Each time I echo this, after it, I'm gonna break the line, okay? So each loop will be in a single line. Refresh, and there it is. Pretty amazing, right? So if we go here and type, for example, let's say 15, and save this, and refresh it, there it is. Another thing you can do is also, if you want to give a single number for each line, you just go here and type the variable I and the concatenate dot, and if you go back here and refresh it, there it is. So we still need to put something there. It's a little bit confusing, so let's give it a space here, and you can put a dot here. Okay, save this and refresh, and there it is. Okay, so now you can basically organize the loops with numbers as well. Okay, very simple. This is how we create for loops, and I can assure you that it's going to be very useful in the future. You're going to see that. See you guys later. Bye.